Welcome to Sun CFO Pro, the Sun Suite tool that gives you the ability to make informed decisions about the financials of your business from day one. Sun CFO Pro gives you the guidance and ability to tackle your business finances in an easy-to-use manner. Let's dive in and see how you can use Sun CFO Pro to master your business's starting finances. Sun CFO Pro is a member of the Sun Suite and as such has easy navigation to any other app in the suite. Simply go to the upper right-hand corner and open the Global Navigation menu to view all the other apps in the Sun Suite. Apps that your subscription level has access to will be displayed in color, while apps that you don't yet have access to will be grayed out. Clicking on an app you have access to will take you directly to the app, while clicking on an app you don't yet have access to will take you to a subscription page where you can find a plan that works for you. Also in the upper right corner is the User Management Portal. Simply click on your display name to be able to view your profile, log out of the Sun Suite, toggle between light and dark mode, and submit user feedback. We appreciate your feedback and are grateful for you taking the time to help us improve the Sun Suite. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the local navigation bar. This bar is divided into Home, Companies, Help, and About. The Company section expands to allow you to view all the companies you have created, as well as easily create a new company. On the About page, you can learn more about starting up now, including who we are, what we do, and the terms of service for using this app. On the Help page, you'll find helpful drop-down definitions for the vocabulary used throughout Sun CFO Pro. By clicking the New Company button from either the Home page or the local navigation, we go to the Company Info page, which allows us to enter basic information about our company. Notice at the top of the page we have breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs allow you to know where you are in the app, as well as offering you another means of navigating throughout the app. The forms in Sun CFO Pro have adaptive labels, so you can see exactly what you need to enter in each field. Asterisks show you if a field is required or optional, and the help icon gives you a convenient pop-up with a definition of the term to make sure you understand exactly what your business needs are. The company dashboard page gives you a bird's eye view of all the aspects of your company's first-year financial data. We have already looked at the company info section, so now let's move to the startup costs. The startup cost grid gives you an overview of all the costs you've already entered, the subtotal of those costs, and quick control to edit or delete any of those costs. Every delete button in Sun CFO Pro comes with a delete confirmation to make sure that you are not accidentally deleting any of your important information. The startup costs are also easily exportable in PDF, Word, and spreadsheet formats. To add a new cost, simply click the Add button, fill out the required fields, and click the Save button. The program saves the new costs and updates all the calculations automatically. The Startup Cost Breakdown page gives you an overview of how all your startup costs work together. All of your startup costs that share a category have been aggregated so you can see the percentage breakdown of each category. The breakdown page also allows you to further break down your working capital costs into subdivisions. These subdivisions allow you to think through varieties of startup costs that you may have missed and ensure that you are ready to face the challenges of starting your business. Now that we've tackled our startup costs, let's move on to the fun part. How are we going to generate revenue? Our products and services section allows you to enter the details of the costs and revenue generated by the products you make and the services you render. Fill out the required fields in the form for each product you make or service you render, and the program will do the calculations for you to see the gross profit per product sold or service rendered. The program will also take this information and aggregate it out to how much you will make in a year, which we will see later on in our review section. If your projected sales vary from month to month, you can toggle between annual and monthly projections to ensure that you are forecasting as accurately as possible. Products and services are also easily exportable in PDF, Word, and spreadsheet formats. The operating expenses page takes you one step further into considering all the expenses you will face in your business's first year. While there are no required fields on this page, it is strongly encouraged that you think about every field, read any help fields for things you don't understand, and really take advantage of the depth of planning that the operating expenses page offers you. Now that we have our startup costs, products and services, and operating expenses, we can review the financial state of our company. Sun CFO Pro offers a series of charts and graphs, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and income statement. Our sheets and statements have all the fields calculated for us based on the information we entered earlier in our Sun CFO Pro journey, and are also easily exportable in PDF, Word, and spreadsheet formats. They also have information icons so that we can learn what each of these calculated fields are, so we are ready to present our projections to interested parties. The charts and graphs consist of fixed costs, products and services monthly breakdown, and company totals. The fixed cost chart gives us our fixed costs expressed as a pie chart. Each of our categories' amount is displayed above the chart and can easily be updated by either entering a new value or adjusting using the sliders. Products and services gather all the revenue sources we entered earlier and gives us a visual representation of our revenue versus costs for each one. Using the drop-down, we can select any product or service and quickly update the costs and projected revenue by either entering a new value or adjusting using the sliders. The monthly breakdown chart takes the products and services and shows the difference over time for those products and services which had monthly breakdowns. Finally, the company totals chart gives us an easy-to-see summary of our total costs, total revenue, and total profit in our first year. The last section of Sun CFO Pro is the company management. From here, we can delete the entire company, or we can export all the data for the company as a spreadsheet. Sun CFO is a powerful tool that can help you turn an idea into a business by taking control of your first year financials. Get started today at startingupnowsuite.com or contact us for more information at info@startingupnow.com.